Hello, welcome to our word study lesson, day 1. Today we're going to learn how to add suffixes ed and ing to words. Remember that a suffix is a word part that goes at the end of the word. So ed will go at the end of the word and ing goes at the end of the word. And we also are going to look for patterns and sort our words into 3 categories. The first category is CVC, second category is CVVC, and then we have CVCC category. What does the letter C stand for and what does the letter V stand for? Well, C is a consonant, V is a vowel. It's easier to memorize all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Okay? So consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Okay? So let's get this started. First, I will show you a base word, okay? We will look at the end of the word and we're going to sort these words into those 3 categories. Once we are done sorting in those categories, we're going to add suffixes so that we can see the patterns. So here are our words. The first word is shout. So what do I need to do? I need to mark my vowels. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So I will put a dot underneath O. I will put a dot underneath the U. And I will label my word. H is a consonant. U is a vowel. Sorry, O is a vowel. U is a vowel. And T is a vowel. Very good. So this word will fall into CVVC category. Grab. Let's mark the vowels. A is a vowel. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Very good. Now let's look at the next word. Start. Where is my vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Mark the vowel. Label the word. T is a consonant. A is a vowel. R is a consonant. T is a consonant. So C, V, C, C. Here we go. Flush. Where's the vowel in the word flush? Well, you will tell me it's a U, right? So consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Watch. A, E, I, O, U, vowels. A is a vowel. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. And the last one is drop. O is the vowel. Let me move this video up in here. And then R is a consonant, V is a vowel, C is a consonant. Very good. So we just labeled all of our words and we put them into those 3 categories. CVC, like the words grab and drop. CVCC, the words start, watch, and flush. And CVVC, the words start. Okay, let's go to the next part. So now we labeled all of these words. We know which category they fall into. And the last step is that we need to do is to add our suffixes, okay? There are 2 suffixes. ED, we add that suffix when we want to put the word in the past tense, or ing when we put the word in the present tense. So shout. We know that the word shout, we said that this is CVVC. Okay, so with the word CVVC, when we add ed or ing, we do not have to double before putting the words, here you go, in the past tense or present tense. Okay, we do not have to double the final consonant. Now let's look at the word grab. The word grab is a CVC word. Okay, so when we add ed, suffix ed, or suffix ing, we need to make sure we double the final consonant. Okay, you see that? Grab, it's a CVC word, so I need to double that final consonant. So grabbed, I double the B, and grabbing, I double the B. Now start. The word start is a CVCC word. No doubling in here when adding suffixes. Regular, just start, started, starting. Flush. What do we say? That the flush falls into CVCC category. No doubling, so that's easy too. Just flush, add ed, flushed, or flush, add ing, flushing. Watch is another word that falls into the CVCC category. There's no doubling. And our last word, drop, we said that this is a CVC word. And just like we did with the word grab, remember we had to double the final consonant, right? Grab, grabbed, grabbing. We have to do the same one with the word drop, because the word drop is a CVC word, so we need to make sure we double the final consonant when we add those suffixes. This is it. Thank you guys for watching.